I scored excellent during my class 10th. Now, is it a good benchmark to say that I should take science stream and I'll perform good in science? We have seen numerous candidates who had 90 plus in their class 10th, but as soon as they took science, their scores dropped to 50 plus or 50% or less. Why does this happen? This happens only because the syllabus for science during your class 10th and your 11th and 12th, specifically when you are following an NCERT curriculum, is way away, and that means if you are good at science in your class 10th, you scored exceptionally good, does not make a path-breaking stone that you would perform good in the later science stream as well. So how do you decide whether I should go for a science stream or not? Now this is a very interesting question. A basic overview I would like to give here is, it's a good idea to go through 11th and 12th books during your 9th and 10th holidays and just get an overview about the depth of the syllabus, the kind of the content, and this would help you judge yourself whether you are a right fit for science stream or not. And just relying on class 10th result, deciding science stream because of it, and then taking gap year, spoiling your future career just to get a professional degree would be detrimental to you later. So make sure you take a right, wise decision before you step in.